Hey, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Panasonic 5-disc DVD player to show you. But before we get into it, did you know that the first movie theater opened in 1907? Yeah, movies were originally performed or displayed at carnivals or in traditional theaters, but eventually they got popular enough and they opened up their own locations. But now that you know that, let's talk about this. The model number of it is DVD-CV37. So let's talk about the rear panel real quick. Right here is your power input. And then there is optical digital audio. And then there's a subwoofer output if you want to connect to a subwoofer. There's standard analog audio output. And then for the best picture, you have component video output. For the lowest quality, you have composite, and then you have S video as well. So we're gonna get it all connected and set up by using the component cable. All you have to do is match up the colors. And then we'll also connect our audio cable. And then as long as you're on the right input and you have everything set up properly, you'll get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a DVD. And then for the remote, this is what the original remote looks like. You've got your audio functions, and then you have all your video functions. You can quickly switch discs if you wanted to. Then you've got your standard buttons, of course. You can turn on and off the display. Then on the front, you've got a few different functions. You have CD sequential, if you want to keep playing them in a sequence. And then you have advanced surround if you want to turn that on or off. And then you have your standard functions, forward, backward, stop, play, pause. And something else that's nice is if you push the eject button while a disc is playing, it will allow you to change 4 of the discs while one continues to play. But that's pretty much all there is to this device. If you want to order one, you can get it on our online store, or you can give us a call.